Verdon in front of the AMG C63. Not a bad event. McLaren 720S sitting right there. We got another McLaren rolling in. GT2 RS. Oh my gosh. That's a GT2.
Look at the carbon around the wheel.
Is that what that is?
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Would you go over?
I'd take this car over any car here.
Oh
that one. My gosh. This is a straight race car. Oh.
Never mind, I'm picking this one.
Yep. Told you.
Wow.
Dude, I want to go. Oh my gosh. I just want to hear this thing start up.
Is it for sale?
This is probably the loudest car here.
That shit is quick.
NSX, old and new. Which one do you guys rather have, the old or the new?
You gotta get the front look too.
I am. Porsche gang. That sounds amazing.
I guarantee.
Oh my God. Better rev it. Wow.
I know this guy, Dr.
Look at this interior. Yo, this is Redon's car. Pro-charged.
Are you serious? John, you heard that?
What happened?
405s on the back.
405s?
Dude, look at
What?
the interior. I'm telling you, bro, they just got this thing out of the shop.
405 tires? Oh my gosh. That NSX is revving. It's an NSX. Damn.
I still have all.
No.
Jackets on the ground.
You got it? Got it all?
Jackets on your mini. Got it.
Damn. Alright, so we just left the Supercar meet, and now we are on our way to the second car meet of the night. GTR? Is that a custom? That's like a wrap. That's not a stock color, is it?
Hey, come park it over here.
It's like, frick that.
You guys don't have permission to be here. You haven't had permission since May. I'm calling the cops in 10 minutes.
Let's try it. Is it Trey?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is Trey. Hey Mo, that sounds like a call out. Mo, it was a call out. Yeah, you heard that.
Go get him, George.
Do it.
Hey, he said he'll do it. He just said, "Fuck it, let's go."
Let's go.
What's up? Go ahead.
Yeah, I'll be back.
Only on
40. Here? 40.
why he's doing that. He was like doing this.